kielelezo katika mataifa upande huu wa kanda ya Afrika.
Vyema kabisa. Naomba tuende moja kwa moja katika kaunti ya Kirinyaga pale ambako mgombea Waiguru anazungumza hivi sasa. Labda tusikie kauli yake alafu tutakuja tuendelee na mahojiano yetu. Mwelekezi, tunaelekea huko.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate that we would, as candidates, would result to intimidations and violence, because that doesn't change anything. The fact is that Kenya is a democratic country and people vote, and we should very much respect the will of the people. If someone has won, they have won fairly, and if they have lost, they have lost. Because there is a constituency, for example, she beat me. I was not all over the place complaining. I didn't even go to ask for a retally. We waited for the announcement. Once the announcement is done, you accept and move on. So if I beat you in another constituency, it shouldn't be that you can only accept results when you win, and where you're when you lose, you do not accept. So it's very unfortunate. And then to also decide to intimidate and beat people. Personally, when I was coming in, and I'm the governor, they were blocking the road and wanting to hit my vehicle with rungus and all. It's really not acceptable. I think it's very primitive, and I think we are better than that as Kirinyaga people. And the Kirinyaga people have decided. I think our advice is we can wait another 5 years and they can come and try, because I will actually not be running in the next 5 years.
Maybe what's your message about the use of guns by your opponent? Because yesterday we heard that you were complaining on your Twitter handle that she was using guns here in Kenya.
Even just now, as I was trying to enter, the road was blocked. They hit my vehicle. I mean, and we had to like almost rush through, because they were going actually to probably even harm me. So it's really unfortunate that you can have that level of violence and intimidation, because even if you do that, doesn't make me not enter here, or it will not make me or the IEBC not read the results as they are, because all they do is they tally whatever has come and then they announce it as it is. Yeah. So it's very unfortunate that they use goons to intimidate either the candidates or even the supporters.
Waiguru huyo ambaye alikuwa anawania kiti cha Kirinyaga, kaunti ya Kirinyaga, amekikosa mtazamaji, na kiti hicho kimechukuliwa, ushindi umepeanwa kwa mgombea wa kujitegemea ambaye ni Ngirishi, na alishinda mapema nyakati za leo. Hivyo basi hapo ni taarifa yake akikubali kushindwa, na ameelezea wakazi wenyewe kwamba yale ambayo yaliyomtokea wakati wa kura na kadhalika. Lakini tunaendelea na mjadala wetu hapa. Edward, karibu sana.